Hey guys, this is Kareem with the Trust team, and this is TrustBot. And today we're going to show you a quick guide on how to use it. This is your main screen when you open the app, and the first thing you want to do is go to your settings on the top right corner, then go to wallets. I already have my wallet here. You want to add your wallet. You want to put your wallet name here, your private key, which is secure and encrypted on your machine and it's stored locally so no one has access to it. And you add your wallet here and you're good to go. So here is your tokens, the virtual ecosystem tokens, which is supported now. And I already picked Trust. You can just hover over it and click the plus button and it will be added here. You can remove it. So let's buy some Trust. I picked normal buy here and with virtual. So let's buy Trust with one virtual and we start the buy bot. You can view the console here. You can click on detailed view to see exactly what the bot is doing, or you can just wait for it to finish and it's already done. This is your transaction here. You can click on it to go to Basecamp and view it, and that's simply it. Now, if you want to swap some trust, we can pick like let's swap for 2 minutes across 5 orders with one virtual, and we start the buy bot. For the purpose of the video, I'm gonna pause it after one transaction just so you can see it. And it bought the first one, and next transaction is in 19 seconds. So yeah, it just keeps buying across 2 minutes, and that's it. We're gonna stop the bot just to make it quick and short. Let's go to sell. Let's try selling some trust, for example. Let's sell 25% of trust in our wallet and start the bot. You can see here it detected how much is 25% of our wallet balance and it will just proceed to sell it. You can view it here in the console in a few seconds when the sell transaction is already through. And here's our transaction, sell complete. 0.95 virtual, that's what we received. And you can see your balances here on the top of the screen. Next up, let's see the swap of selling. It's the same as buy. Let's not go through it. It's the same thing. And you just put the duration and the number of orders and you just start it and forget about it. Next is FSH. If you have a lot of tokens, for example, in your wallet and you just want to sell everything, you can just start FSH here. You read this message because it will sell everything except virtual, ETH, and your trust tokens. So it will start detecting everything in your wallet, all the tokens in your wallet, everything with a balance above 20 tokens with a supported pool is gonna be sold. Let's give it a few seconds here. It might take some time because it's just detecting all the tokens in your wallet. If your wallet has a lot of tokens, it might take some time. It already sold the token here. So this is the first successful, already sold another token here. So it's just detecting the tokens and selling them one by one. And it's done. I had a couple tokens in my wallet, so it sold them and it's done. That's pretty much it. It's very easy. Now let's move on to the farm bot. Here, if we want to farm volume on virtuals, we can just input, for example, I want to farm with one virtual across 2 loops. Let's make it quick in this test. Here, I want to clear my terminal to make it clean, and let's start. So we're farming with trust for one virtual for 2 loops. Basically, each loop buys and sells in one block, and that's how you create volume, and it's already done. Like it bought and sold trust for one virtual in one block for 2 loops, and that's pretty much it. You just can keep running this for a few minutes, hours, whatever you want, and it just keeps doing this. And farm volume for you. Next up, let's skip Market Maker for now and go to GBot. So this one is basically you want to detect a Genesis token. It works on OG tokens, but its main use is for Genesis tokens. You input the Genesis contract address here or the ticker of the token. So here is the tickers. Let's take Saifu, for example, or anyone, basically any token. All tokens have a Genesis address. So let's take the first one and we put it here. And you can pick Jeet and rebuy. Let me explain this in a second. So here we start the bot and it's gonna try to find the contract address, the Genesis address for Saifu. This is it. So it detected the token and now it's listening. What is it listening for? It's listening for when the tokens hit your wallet. So basically, now all you have to do when the token launches is you go and claim, and the bot will detect that the tokens are in your wallet now, and it's gonna be sold almost instantly. So what is Jeet and Rebuy? Jeet and Rebuy, you can pick it and you can set a percentage of basically discount. So when you sell, if it drops like 30% or 50%, the token is gonna be rebought and you can avoid G jail in this way. So it's still listening here and let's stop it because the token isn't even launching yet. But this is basically it. It's very simple. You just input the ticker, select your option, and you can start the bot. Next up is Market Maker bot, which is the most advanced function in our bot. And I'm not gonna go into it in detail right now, but you can check it in the docs and learn how to use it. It's a bit complicated, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. It's basically you set your trading amounts, the range. Basically, you want to buy at a small discount, for example, 3%, and you want to sell at 3% premium. And basically, you're trying to profit while you run this bot by selling high and buying lower. And that's pretty much it. So, yeah, this is TrustBot. It's going to be available today for you to use. You can download on GitHub for Windows, Mac, Linux. You can pull our GitHub repo, which is public. The source code is public. You can check it out and you can use it. And also one more thing, in settings, you can add your RPC. If you have your own RPCs, you can add them here. And that's pretty much it. So enjoy and let us know your feedback and see you.